Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today CBSE has released latest guideline for activities for evaluation through OSM. Now let's see in detail. So as you can see, this circular was released on 17th March 2026, which is today, and this circular is for CNS for class 12th examination with subject guideline for first day activity for evaluation through OSM. So here duties are for CNS, then for HE, then for AHE, and lastly for evaluator or examiner. So now let's see one by one. So first let us see for CNS. So CNS need to log in through the credential mail on CBSE Shiksha email ID. Then using that credential, they will configure IP address of CNS lab. CNS lab is a place where all the computers are arranged for evaluation purpose of that subject. Then third, they need to verify the list of evaluator allotted to their institute for particular subject. Then if they need any change in HE or evaluator, first they need to report to RO. Then CNS, upon getting the necessary approval, they can add new HE. Then in case of change reported by HE or evaluator, means if any HE is reporting that evaluator is not coming or non-received of login credential, then again CNS can send the login mail upon necessary verification and certification of their email ID and mobile number. So if evaluator or HE they don't have their login credential, CNS can send. Then next one, CNS can change email ID and mobile number of evaluator to facilitate receipt of login credential. Any change in HE or evaluator to be reported to the respective RO. So you can change, but you need to report all those changes to your regional RO office. Now let us see the next one, which is HE. After CNS do the IP address configuration, HE can log in with credentials shared on their registered email ID. First they need to go to watch video link provided at the home page of OSM portal. Then you need to click on subject panel. I'll show you that. So this is the home screen. As you can see here, all the subjects for which OSM evaluation is going already started is there. You need to click on your subject. Like if you are going to do for physical education, you need to click on physical education. Then your login page for physical education will open. Next, HE can add any new evaluator or replacement by clicking on add or view evaluator, and they need the OSS number of that evaluator. Next, they can download the question paper and MS link and get the respective question paper and marking scheme download and printed as required for discussion with evaluator. Then they can click on answer book for sample evaluation. Sample evaluation means this is the mock evaluation. This should be conducted only on the first day, and select the bundle and download few answer scripts required for correction and discussion. Then post discussion, HE will select AHE and they are going to assign AHE, verify AHE assignment before clicking to submit. Next, they can assign evaluator to AHE and assign AHE to evaluator by selecting AHE name appearing on selective. So first they need to log in, then they can download the question paper, they can add evaluator, they can do the mock evaluation, then select AHE and assign AHE to evaluator. After that, they can click on organize set in bundle. To review the first page of answer booklet, select set, medium, disability data and click on submit and next button to review and organize all answer booklet. This also need to be done by HE only. Next one for AHE. AHE also need to go to that same page, then select the subject panel verify the login credential and login. Next, they need to go on main assessment link to generate or review the script evaluated by evaluator. So now they are going to review only. Those are already evaluated by evaluator. Then they can update the marks if any change after reviewing. They can change the marks. After reviewing marking awarded by evaluator for all questions, click on submit button to get new answer book. So they need to review, and if any change in marks is there, they can update and submit button. Lastly is examiner. They can also log in the same way. Go to watch video, then subject panel and login. Now they need to go on main assessment, then check the availability of answer book, whether answer book is available or not. If it is available, they can click on start button, which will load the answer book for evaluation. And to complete evaluation, after providing marks to all question, after you assign marks to all the question, you can click on submit button. So all the evaluation functionaries are requested to follow above procedure to ensure uniformity, transparency and efficiency in evaluation process through OSM. So this was the complete guide to OSM evaluation. If you are a teacher, this system might feel new to you at first, but with practice it becomes very easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, hype the video, share with fellow teacher and subscribe to channel for more CBSE update. See you in the next video.